Hi, I'm Michelle, the computer lady with Cellbotics, and this is my partner.
I'm Nicole. I am the cell phone repair trainer here at Cellbotics.
And what we want to talk to you about today is college students learning repair. So when you go off to college, you have your own income.
Hmm.
Now, a lot of times when you go to college, what happens is you don't have that extra money depending on what your family situation is, and you need extra money, but you also have to study. So you need something that you know that's quick and efficient. But what do you know about college campuses? Everybody has devices. They have cell phones, computers, tablets, because this is what you need in order to traverse the world of academia. So in order to do that and to make money and make sure that you're doing well, why not go to college with a skill already so you can pay your way?
And so you don't have to work a job, like a job taking a big chunk of your hours every day, um, and have to also do schooling. And that's a lot of pressure. We get a lot of college kids through here, and they are actively out there earning income while they're in college. Some of them are paying for their own tuition or assisting their parents with their tuition or supplementing what they're, maybe they got some sort of funding or scholarship, and they're supplementing that. And some got nothing, and they're completely going on their own through that using this training that they got. We have a student who actually went on Chandler. I'm wrong if I got the name wrong. I talk to him all the time, actually, and I feel bad I can't pull his name out of my brain right now. I'll flash a photo up, but he actually went to China on his, what is that when they
The
go?
visa?
Yeah, like an education visa.
Right.
Yeah. So he was here at college and he had a year abroad. Okay. And so he actually went to China and he met the Chinese vendor that we introduced you to here. So I will edit that into the video so you guys can see that. Then we have Peaches, who is in LSU right now, and she is a repair technician. Now, she came to class and immediately started repair. Like, there was no wait. Like, the next day, she was at home and she's like, I need to get this down before I go to college because I'm going to be busy. So, her and her parents, they worked together. They got her all set up with tons of inventory, all her tools ready to go. She started repairing everything, and then she took a whole bunch of it with her to college, and she is actively repairing. And I know because she's calling me with different questions. And when she came back, for the week for Thanksgiving, which just passed because it's like the beginning of January now. She had brought some iPads with her that she had some questions about. So she is actively doing this and she's doing really well for herself. And she is able to go to school full time and use this to supplement her income. And then we have
Jabbar,
mm-hmm.
my nephew,
Yeah.
great nephew actually.
Yeah.
And so he's out at Newmont in Utah. And one thing about college campuses, somebody's running with a phone, it's going to break.
Yeah.
Somebody's got a laptop, the hard drive's going to go down. So these kids are out here fixing and making money because it covers book tuition.
Mm-hmm.
It covers extracurricular activities.
Mm-hmm.
It covers beer night or
Yeah.
wherever they go,
Yeah.
when you're in college,
Yeah.
pizza night,
Yeah.
whatever,
Yeah.
because mom and dad doesn't always have it.
Yeah.
So the only way to have it is to make some for yourself. The cool thing about doing repairs is that you can schedule the time between your schoolwork. Once you come here and learn, Nicole teaches you the cell phones.
Mm-hmm.
I do the workstations, desktops, all the computer stuff. There is so much money because most of your campuses have anywhere from 8 to 20,000 students, depending on the school.
And you got to think of this too. The school sometimes needs work done.
Exactly.
Teachers have devices that are damaged. The school has devices that need repair. The students, the community surrounding it. There's just so much opportunity there. You can do, we teach you how to approach shops and do outsourcing repair. So basically, if they're overloaded or they have a technician that's out, you're kind of like substituting. So you're not working for them because we really do not want you to have to go work for someone full time. We want you to be able to focus on schoolwork. I feel like that's so important, to go for that big degree that you want and be able to have your mind ready for that and not just slaving for someone for 8 to 10 hours a day at minimum wage,
Got to come in, do your studies,
man.
and then prep for tests.
So you can do outsourcing. So even if the campus has some cell phone shops nearby, we will consult with you and talk to you about how to approach them, how to get that work where they call you and like, hey, we got 3 devices, you go by, you fix it, you pick up your check and leave. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
Um, but yeah, I think this program is great for college kids. If you guys have any questions, if you need any help, if you're a parent and you're watching this, you can trust us. We're going to take care of them while they're here. We're going to make sure that they get all the knowledge that they need to, and then we're going to support them with when they leave, you know.
Absolutely.
So even though they may be far away from you, we're still going to be in contact with them, helping them through this journey of them, you know, building this business or side income while they focus on their degree. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us. All of our information is on our website. If you want to register, that's very easy. You can do that online. And we look forward to having you in class, and good luck with your schooling.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you.
Bye bye.